Fabiana, Rebecca really likes being massaged and pampered, but I'm worried about spoiling her. Oh, don't worry about that. Cuddling children when they are that small isn't spoiling them, and the massage will make her feel more secure and relaxed. It's truly a wonderful experience. It sure is. I get to relax too. I'm sure you do. It is important to initiate rituals and actions that are repeated over time, so that the child begins to associate these rituals with pleasant experiences. May I show you how I usually massage her? Sure, I'd love to see. Well, to start with, I get comfortable by taking off my rings and bracelets. Perfect. I take a little oil. Good. I usually warm it up with my hands. That's very good. The child will associate this gesture with a coming massage. It's a very important ritual. I suggest that you use natural or organic oil products because they help hydrate the skin and let your hands glide easily on the baby's body. I don't recommend mineral oils since they don't allow the skin to breathe, and essential oils are not the best either because they are too concentrated for infant massages. As you can see, the massage benefits the whole body, legs to feet. Good. For infantile colic with trapped gas, an abdominal massage is also very good around the entire tummy. A facial massage is very relaxing and also helps open the airways when the baby has a cold, helping the baby breathe better. Am I doing all right? Very good. I learned how by taking an infant massage course. So you knew everything already.